Now, I don't even know where to begin with this, I'm not gonna lie to you. I don't know why it's such a funny thing when you pick someone up to keep the door locked, you know, and then like drive away a little bit.
Immature.
The sugar-free ones were all gone. All right, there we go. Is that weird? Yeah, it's weird. Anyways, guys, what we're gonna do today, first off, if you watched yesterday's upload, if you didn't watch it, you gotta go check it out, right? Yeah, that was not our truck. I still have the Powerstroke. That was my father-in-law's truck. It's supposed to be hotshot truck number 2 for our thing here, but now it's hotshot truck number 1. So yeah, that's his truck. That's not our truck. That's his. We still have ours. We were in the platinum. See the sunroof? We're in the platinum. So what that leads us to is, okay, I drove a newer Duramax, right? And I obviously drive my truck here, which is the platinum. So that gets us very, very familiar with the Duramaxes and the Fords. I have yet to drive or really look at, or, you know, just kind of go all around the new Ram. So that's what we're gonna do today. Our final look over all three, and we're gonna make a decision. Let's go. All right, the dude is going to get a truck. It's not a painted to match, but it has a 12-inch screen, so we're gonna check it out. We're gonna drive it just to get a feel for it, to see where we're at with the 19 Cummins. But checked out the interior on the limit. This is a 1500, but the limited interior, oh man, is it nice. I like the plastic steering wheel up here. 12-inch. The truck's dead because everyone's been playing with it in the showroom. Well, she checks out. One last test. Time for a test drive.
We going Cummins. Is this the time?
This is nice.
This is nice.
I don't know, really, are you on there? Are you recording?
Yeah.
Really, what do you guys think of the silver? It's painted to match Laramie. Silver on black wheels looks very good. I am a fan of silver on black. Something about the silver with the painted to match bumpers, it looks pretty damn good. All right, so we just got some awesome information. He's sending us out alone. He's not coming, it's me and you. Let's ride. Let's turn the radio down so we don't get a copyright strike. All right, real quick, first impressions, seat's in a funny position. Look at this 12-inch screen, oh my. It's unbelievable. You got your aux switches down on the bottom, 2 are on. Tow haul, exhaust brake, parking, something in the rear and in the front, the sensors, parking sensors. Now I don't even know where to begin with this, I'm not gonna lie to you. And it's sturdy. It feels like an iPad. You know how like touch screens they feel a little wonky? This thing is sturdy. Apps. Wow. Climate. Bird's eye. Ram coming in hot with the bird's eye. Platinum had that in the bag. It ain't 2017 anymore, I can tell you that. All right, you guys ready? First drive, 19 Ram 2500 Limited. This thing, I can promise you that the interior of the Limited, Rams are the nicest in the game right now. High country, platinum, doesn't matter. This has it in the bag. Not just because of the screen, because of everything. I got my seatbelt on, that's your seatbelt. This thing it's an absolute, I don't know, I'm kind of like starstruck or whatever you want to call it. Power feels really good. Oh man, it feels awesome. This thing's awesome. I mean, of course it's gonna be awesome. It's a brand new $80,000 truck. Look at the gauge cluster in here. Like, look up in here. That is a pure work of art. Like, I mean, you could sit here for 3 hours just figuring out what everything does. Like, how are you supposed to even figure all this stuff out? What is this up here? Is this a phone holder? Like, look, you got two things. There's one there, there's two here. There's like a laptop sleeve that goes way underneath down there. You got this thing here, change in there. This thing moves. I think you can, yeah, you can slide this back that way. Like, what? Oh, this goes underneath the bottom. It's unbelievable. We got 25 miles on the old girl. Man, I really like the steering wheel too. Guys, I'm sorry if I'm coming off a little pumped up, but this thing is sick. Anyone would be pumped driving this. Holy smokes, guys. All right, so this one by far out of the three is my personal favorite. The power is a killer. It pulls and it doesn't sign off like the Duramax. It doesn't, the Powerstroke signs off too. The Limited is fully loaded. I'm talking luxury to the max. It's absolutely unbelievable. The comfort, driving, very, very smooth. I'm kind of speechless about the truck. I really, really like it. I don't even want to stand out here. Let's just go drive it. All right, guys, I don't want to get out of the truck. I like this one that much. Now, if you're gonna ask me what's my favorite, 100% it is the Limited Ram 2500. This thing is awesome. The power and stock platform is 100% the best, in my opinion. I mean, this is all just unbelievable. I can't even get over the interior on this thing. I keep repeating myself, and I apologize for that. I'm just that excited about this truck. So, I thought we were gonna have a decision made by today. After driving this, I'm gonna tell you guys right now, I gotta go back to the drawing board on what the heck we're gonna do, because this here totally just changed all the plans. This thing is absolutely sick, and I love it. Literally, I love this truck. I don't want to get out. All right, can we just take it home today? Can we take it today?
80 G's.
80,000. 81,000's the sticker. We're gonna go in, talk some numbers, see what the heck you know, possibly the deal is, and then we'll come back at you guys with what we can potentially get this truck out the door for, because I'm sure you guys are going to want to know, because yeah, 81, ooh, that's a house. It's a house. Well, the Platinum was 75. This is 81. We're definitely going to have a house between the two. All right, 80 grand, little too much, bro. This is the real reason why we came here. This is old girl 0359 pre-emission diesel. Keywords there, pre-emission, right? You guys following me? 5.9, 165,000 miles on her. Old plow truck, right? We got custom rhino lined, two-tone, whatever you want to call it. Plow mounts already down on the bottom. We got some good tires, right? You know, like Mike pass inspection. Guys, I'm in the same boat as you. I don't know what the heck's going on with these mirrors. Look at these things. What is this? That's like a clip-on over the factory one. Man, is that brutal. You know, we got a little rust. You know, you can see the patch job, how they put in a new piece here, and then they didn't grind the welds good enough, so there's rust coming through the paint. I mean, that's okay. That's fixable. You know, this is definitely spray paint. You can feel it, you know, rattle can paint job. There's a little bit of rust on the frame. Let's keep checking her out. Come on around, I'll show you her. This side though, nope, still rattle can, take that back. You know, so we got a toolbox. We got a plow. This truck could make us money because we can plow with it in the winter. But we live in Pittsburgh and it only rains in the winter. It doesn't snow. Clean interior. We got a custom steering wheel cover in there, custom seat covers. Oh, it's locked. Watch that on the mirror. That'll take you out. Yeah, check out this two-tone action here. Like this is the real deal, man. This is Rhino line. We got some overspray on the fender liner. Get in here, check that out. A little bit of overspray right on the fender right there, you know, or the inner fender liner. All right, no, seriously though, this is for sale. This is here. Everything I just said was a joke, semi-serious, but joking. This is a pre-emission Cummins, 5.9, 165,000 miles. Overall, kind of clean. The frame is solid. It's not leaking anything. 165,000. Just said that. I just did show you that weird spot on the back where they patched the fender and the welds were coming through with rust. They want like 11 grand for this truck, which I think is a little high. But I don't know, you diehard Cummins guys out there, if it has a solid engine trans, the body's somewhat okay and the frame's good, is 11 grand a good deal? You know how you see those memes on Craigslist like, used Cummins, 25 grand, bro. I know what I got, don't lowball me. And I was 100% joking when I said this is the reason why we came here. We did not come here for that. We came here for this. All right, guys, paperwork in hand. We got an exclusive deal here. This is very, very cool. They actually came down a lot, right? So I'm gonna be full honest with you. I'm gonna be completely honest with you. I don't know what's happening right now with the beeping. We're still in the truck. Stickers $81,225, $81,225. They came down for us $9,322. So that's just a discount that they gave us for the YouTube channel right off the top. So tax, title, you know, document fee, all their processing, registration, plate, you know, the whole deal. So we're grand total out the door 77 even. 77 grand even out the door for a sticker at 81. They're really giving us the hookup, and they're really motivated to sell this thing. I think he's trying to lock it in there. I don't know what he's doing. The thing's beeping like crazy. So we literally have the ultimate decision to make if we want to go with this one. And this is a 2020. This isn't a 19. This is a 2020 Ram. So I really don't know what we're going to do. But there you go. I'm starting to ramble now. Stay tuned for tomorrow's upload, and make sure you guys hit that thumbs up and hit that subscribe button and join the Modern Diesel family. Turn that little bell notification on so you're notified when we post a new video. We might be adding a Cummins. I don't know. Don't get your hopes up because I don't know. Literally, I'm so up in the air, I can't make decisions. But anyways, we will catch you guys on the next one. Peace.